Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. I want to thank you all for making it out this morning for this really hot, sunny, dry day. Wait, hold on. For this humid August day, you never know what you're going to get out here in Arizona. But I want to thank you all for coming and braving the humidity with us. I wanted to start off by introducing the team that really brought this whole project together, and most of them representatives are here. I'll start with architecture. I saw Paul earlier. Archicon has been a great friend with Ergens and has been pivotal on this project since day one and has been doing a great job. AR Mays Construction, getting it done fast and on budget as usual. And Boulder Architects, who's working on the interiors for Cigna, doing a great job. The City of Peoria, of course. Ryan and Jim Bayless at CB Richard Ellis, who've been involved in this project maybe even longer than I have. And of course our friends at Cigna. None of us would be here if it wasn't for you all, so thank you very much. Since I have the microphone, I'm going to take a second to thank my Ergens team, Jason Anzalone, Dave Cross, Aaron Marty, Donna Crichton, and of course Mark Ergens, who's here today. Thank you all for being such a great support during this process. Today, I just wanted to celebrate, and we're all here to celebrate. But there's five things that I really wanted to celebrate today, and one is the beginning of a new state-of-the-art medical facility for the community, for Cigna, and I'm really excited to see. You can see by the design, interior and exterior, it's really going to be top-notch and something the community can be really proud of. The second thing is just basically the culmination of years of hard work and a few sleepless nights. But our team and many of you in this room have been working on this with us for years and years, and we're just so excited to be here to be able to kick it off with you all. Want to celebrate the growth and the prosperity for the community. It's another building. It's another place where people can come to work in the community, and it's something we could all be proud of. Next would be the birth of new relationships. This is our first project with Cigna, hopefully many, many more, but we're really, really honored to be associated with such a fine group, and we just want to make you all happy. So thank you very much. And the last is something that everyone says, but I actually want to mean today is teamwork. The people I've mentioned, Cigna, the city has been a great team member with us. We've been holding hands through the whole process, and we're ahead of schedule and doing great. You're all going to have a great building, and we're just really excited. So thank you all. To help us celebrate this day, Mayor Carlott with the City of Peoria is here. The mayor and her entire staff at the city have been a team member like we haven't seen in many communities. They've been with us since day one, getting us through entitlements. We've gone through what typically is a very hard process in cities, and that's getting through zoning, design, permitting. And to be honest, the City of Peoria has been wonderful. They've been welcoming Cigna, working with the Ergens team, and I couldn't say enough great things about them. So thank you for that. But I do want to introduce her, and it's my great pleasure to introduce Mayor Carlott.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you for those kind words. I'm really happy to hear that you've found a great home and partner with the City of Peoria. And it is just so great to be here today to celebrate the kickoff of this exciting new multi-specialty center. In Peoria, we really like groundbreakings. We like new buildings and we like new life in them. And personally, I like new projects that serve our citizens and at the same time energize our economy. Gotta love something like that. Delivers on all sides. And you will be hearing from Edward Kim in just a minute, but I just want to take this opportunity to thank you, Ed Kim, who's standing right over there. Raise your hand. I'm sure everyone knows you. You have proven your dedication to superior health care throughout the entire valley, and I just found out throughout the entire world. So we are really, really happy to have you here. Peoria is a rapidly growing city, and it gives peace of mind to our residents to know that they don't have to go elsewhere for top-notch medical care. And when the need arises for specific testing or a variety of services, patients will know that they are able to get those services here in the same building that their primary care physician is located. I believe that making it easy to obtain quality care empowers people to take responsibility for their own health. And I'm grateful for the impact that this building will have on the well-being of many generations in Peoria and all of the surrounding communities. I'm looking forward to the new jobs this medical hub will bring, so our citizens can spend more time close to home enjoying the things that make them want to live here. On behalf of those who will be served here and those who will be employed here, welcome to Peoria. Now please join me in welcoming Edward Kim, President and General Manager of Cigna in Arizona.
Mayor Carlott and esteemed guests, we could not be more excited about today and the future that will be brought by this particular facility. In terms of the partnership that both Jason and the mayor spoke about, we could not be excited anymore to have great partners, because a project of this size, this magnitude, this complexity could never come about without the partnership of the city and certainly Ergens. Thank you very much. You know, this will be a state-of-the-art facility. It will provide comprehensive health care, and it will have all of the conveniences that you have come to expect out of Cigna Medical Group, and we will certainly live up to that. We've been part of the community here for 35 years. In fact, our current facility is around 2 miles down the road, and you know, we've been a pillar of this medical community, and we're looking forward to another 35 years and more. And we found this location to plant our future, and we're excited about that. You know, this new facility really symbolizes our mission, and that is to improve the health, well-being, and sense of security of the patients and customers we serve. And this state-of-the-art facility was really designed from the ground up. I was sharing with some folks that we actually started with a focus group of our patients. We had a dozen patients spend 2 days with us, letting us know what they liked about Cigna Medical Group in its current location and what they'd like to see more. And that's how we started this project. And while we've been certainly searching over the last 5 to 7 years for a location, it was really what the patients brought to us in terms of feedback that really sparked this particular project. So I want to particularly thank those individuals who are part of that focus group. This building is going to be 60,000 square feet, 2 floors. Under one roof, we're going to provide primary care, imaging services, lab services. We'll have specialty services, including gastroenterology, audiology, neurology, ophthalmology, podiatry, a lot of ologies there, podiatry and urology. But in addition to that, we're actually going to have a retail section to the building where we will have a pharmacy that not only fills your medications but provides, you know, other goods that you'd find at a community pharmacy. We'll have a vision center there where you can not only get your eye checked but your glasses made, and a hearing center where you can check your hearing but also get hearing equipment. So we're very excited to bring this kind of multi-service approach. So what does this really mean to our customer, our patient? It means one-stop shop. So imagine you come in for a visit with your primary care physician for your annual checkup. You go down the hallway to get your blood test, and then you go downstairs to take and go down to the imaging center to get your bone density scan, and then head over to our vision center and get an eye exam and order the glasses that one of 100 glasses that you have options from, and then walk across the pharmacy and pick up your medication that the doctor just prescribed upstairs. It's that kind of convenience that we have been providing at our current location, and that is something that we will certainly continue. In addition to medical services, healthcare is not only sick care, but it also includes well care. And so we're going to be providing health education, seminars, and all the kinds of things that only not make you well from illness, but keep you healthy going forward. And we look forward to creating that activity center in this location. We've also dedicated an area for a community garden. So believe it or not, one of the things that came out of our focus group was not what kinds of medical services we needed, but what the community wanted was a location where people can come together. And so we've tried to create that inside our facility, and we've also tried to create that outside of our facility. So we are right now, we've got a dedicated area for a community garden, and we'll be developing that in the coming time period. You know, it's also, I think it's really important to point out, though, that it's not the beauty of a building you should look at. It's the construction of the foundation that will stand the test of time. And I think the foundation for this building, if you will, is really our CMG team, our Cigna Medical Group team of over 130 dedicated professionals who will continue to bring their expertise, their passion, and their compassion to the care and the health of each family, their members, and the community. So on behalf of Cigna Medical Group, I want to thank you for coming, and we look forward to seeing this grow from the foundation to the first floor to the second floor and ultimately moving in. Thank you.